This is a demonstration of the OptimEyes Pixel Analysis Tool. This tool is used to inspect the brightness values of individual pixels. Let's open an image and try it out. And we'll open the tool. With the Pixel Analysis Tool open, if I hold down the left mouse button and move the mouse around the image, you'll see that the location and pixel values are continuously updated. Also, if I click and release the left mouse button, the values for the last pixel that I clicked on will be shown. One more way to control which pixel is being inspected is to place a point ROI on the image. The Pixel Analysis Tool shows the location and pixel value of the pixel directly under the point ROI. With the point ROI active, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to reposition it, giving you precise control over which pixel is being inspected. By default, the Pixel Analysis Tool displays the luminance value of a pixel. If you wish to inspect the brightness of a specific color plane, you can open the 24-bit color tool and select the red, green, or blue color plane. The next time the Pixel Analysis Tool updates, it will show the value from the selected color plane. As you can see, with the red color plane selected, the pixel values on this red pill are higher than if we switch to the green plane and move the ROI to trigger an update. That's because there's less green in that pixel than there is red. The same is true if we select the blue color plane. If the pixels you wish to inspect are too far apart to move between using the arrow keys, you can switch to Move mode and reposition the point ROI quickly using your mouse.